Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ram Sonekar, Assistant Professor at Aniket College of Social Work, Varda. Today I am going to present on syllabus and pattern of question paper of BSW third semester. So dear friends, we are going to learn through online. So we will understand the syllabus of BSW third semester as well as pattern of question paper for BSW third semester. See, the prescribed syllabus for BSW third semester, it has been implemented from 2017. The theory paper of BSW third semester will be of 80 marks and internal marks will be 20. The prescribed textbooks for BSW third semester is the title of the textbook Visionary Glimpses, edited by Divinayak Sandhya Nair, Nitin Gaikwad, Bipasha Ghoshal, Farjana Ali, and it is the Yaschand publication. In this textbook, you will learn selected prose and selected poetry, which is prescribed for BSW third semester syllabus. The next textbook is Improve Your English, which will be for internal assessment. This textbook will be useful for internal assessment, means for Unit 5. Improve Your English, this textbook is useful. It is edited by Ajit Jachak, Swapnil Dahat, Renuka Roy. This is a foundation book. See, we will see one by one unit. In Unit 1, you will learn prose, and this Unit 1 will be for 20 marks. The prescribed lessons in Unit 1 from the textbook Visionary Glimpses: My Lost Dollar, which is written by Stephen Leacock. This is a very interesting prose which is written by Stephen Leacock. We will learn in detail. Next prose is All About a Dog, which is written by A.G. Gardiner. So these are only two prose in Unit 1. We have to learn My Lost Dollar and All About a Dog. 20 marks will be the weightage for Unit 1 on these two prose. In Unit 2, which is for poetry section, in poetry section we have to learn first poem Solitary Reaper, which is written by William Wordsworth, and the second poem Psalm of Life, which has been written by H.W. Longfellow. So we will learn these poems one by one. The second unit also has 20 marks weightage, means these two poems will be for 20 marks and questions will be asked in theory paper on these two poems for 20 marks. So we have to learn one by one these poems. Next, Unit 3, which includes short stories. There are two short stories in Unit 2. The same weightage, third unit also has 20 marks. First short story is The Barbers' Trade Union, written by Mulk Rajanan. And second short story is Moti, which has been written by Sunil Kumar Naveen. So these are also interesting short stories. we will learn in detail, and you have to prepare for examination point of view. There will be questions depending on these two short stories for 20 marks. Next, Unit 4, which is grammar and comprehension. It has also same weightage, 20 marks. Means Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the units have same weightage of 20 marks. We have to prepare for 20 marks each unit. See, in Unit 4, A, grammar, it includes punctuation for 5 marks. You have already learned this chapter, punctuation, in 10th and 12th. So again, there is a repetition of punctuation. We have to learn it in detail and solve questions for 5 marks on this punctuation. Next, narration. This is the narration, means summary writing. This is also for 5 marks. So you have to prepare well and try to solve questions on these two topics. We will learn how to punctuate and how to narrate the passage. B, comprehension. In comprehension, it includes letter writing, which is for 10 marks. See, it has more weightage. Out of 80, 10 marks have been given to only one chapter, letter writing. It's easy chapter. You have to learn the criteria, how to write a letter, what is the particular format for writing a letter, and then you have to acquire maximum marks on this chapter. So if you write properly later, you will get at least 7 to 8 marks. If your format is proper and your text you have written is without grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes, you will get marks. Next, Unit 5, which is not for theory paper. This unit is only for internal assessment. It means for Vivavos and assignments. It has also same weightage, 20 marks, 10 marks for Viva, 10 marks for Viva and 10 marks for assignments. You will be given questions and you have to solve assignments for 10 marks. It includes some points, note-taking exercise for summarizing. Second, writing task. Third, listening to the audio CD, Spoken English Foundation Course Volume 1 and 2nd. Listening to the story and summarizing. Meeting people, exchanging greetings and taking leave. 6. Giving personal information. And 7. Inviting people, accepting and refusing an invitation. These will be the topics for internal assessment, and it has also same weightage of 20 marks. These are the recommended books for your syllabus. Strengthen Your Writing by V.R. Narayanaswamy. Written Communication in English by Sarah Freeman. Macmillan Foundation English by R.K. Dwivedi and A. Kumar. Write by Sarita Manuja. These are the useful books recommended for you according to the syllabus. Now we will discuss on pattern of question paper. How will be the question paper for VSW third semester? See, there will be 3 hours duration and theory paper will be of 80 marks. Means full marks will be 80. Time will be 3 hours. In question first A, there will be question on punctuation for 5 marks. Question first B, 5 questions out of 8 on narration. C, later on any one of the 2 given topics. You will be given 2 topics and you have to solve 1 question out of 2. You have to select 1 topic out of 2 and write later on given topic. It contains 10 marks. Means first question will be of 20 marks. Question 2 A, 3 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words each from Unit 1. Prescribed lessons. See, there will be 3 short answer questions, internal choice to be answered in about 75 words each from Unit 1. Means question 2A will be only depending on Unit 1. Prose section. You have to answer in about 75 words each question, and there will be 5 marks weightage for each question. 3 into 5, 15. Means question 2A will be for 15 marks. You have to solve 3 short answer questions depending on Unit 1. Then B, 5 very short answer questions on Unit 1. Prescribed lessons to be answered in 1 or 2 sentences each. Means very short answer questions, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Each question contains 1 mark, and there will be 5 short answer questions. 5 into 1, 5. This question will be also for 20 marks. Question 2A for 15 marks and question 2B for 5 marks. Question 3A, 3 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words each from Unit 1. Each from Unit 2. Means prescribed poems. 3 into 5, 15. The same pattern will be there, which is also in question 2 for Unit 1. Here is only Unit 2. You have to solve 3 short answer questions. Each question has 5 marks. 3 into 5, 15. Internal choice should be from 2 different lessons. 2 different lessons, there will be internal choice. 5 very short answer questions on prescribed poems to be answered in 1 or 2 sentences each. 5 very short answer questions. Means each question has 1 marks. 5 into 1, 5. Question 4, 3 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words each from Unit 3. Prescribed short stories. The same pattern will be there. 3 questions of 5 mark, 15. Then B, question for B, 5 very short answer questions on prescribed short stories to be answered in 1 or 2 sentences each. 5 questions of 1 mark, 5. And thank you. This will be the syllabus for BLW 3rd semester, and the question paper pattern which we have discussed. This will be for BLW 3rd semester. So thanks for listening silently. Thank you so much.